Hello everyone. I attended a ham radio swap today located in Minden, Nevada. This is a yearly event in which many amateur radio operators attend. Something that really stood out to me was the demonstration of RTTY, or radio teletype. It is a telecommunication system consisting originally of two or more electromechanical teleprinters in different locations connected by radio rather than a wired link. Radio teletype evolved from earlier landline teleprinter operations that began in the mid-1800s. By today's standards, this is an extremely slow method of communication, but it sure is fun to watch.